the oyster bar, why we wanted to open an oyster bar here. I love small towns. Even as little kids out there scrubbing the oysters and harvesting and putting them, in our bikinis and with a little oyster shucking knife and lemons. And so we would be out there every summer, and it was just one of those core memories that was so magical. I'm gonna start talking about oysters. Aqua terroir is a concept that you are experiencing the unique flavor of that estuary or that marsh or that tidal zone, the natural nutrients that bloom when you have the fresh water and salt water mixing together. So you can actually taste where they are, the flavors, the salinity and everything from the sea mud. And so you can actually taste that in the oysters, which is really cool. The flavors, brings back all those childhood memories. And I think the power of food is that we'll be eating something and all of a sudden, our earliest memories come rushing back with the flavor that we're experiencing. When we're talking about food and our impact on this planet and sustainability, it's one of those things that really goes hand in hand. It's really good. And it's delicious. They are delicious. It's a really incredible product. Oyster shuckers, they're made to be ergonomic. So what you're trying to do is get in there and then you, like opening a beer bottle, you pop that open. If you're in the right spot, it just pops right open. So it takes a lot less force and strength if you're using the right tool and you get it into the right spot.